The time is right, and it's just like, I can't live in that little tiny apartment anymore.
It's nerve-wracking, it gets exciting. It's a big move for us.
Yeah. I'm Cliff.
And I'm Jenny.
And we're moving back to my hometown of Long Beach, New York. I grew up here in Long Beach, New York. Being from Long Beach, it's awesome. You know, it has a beautiful beach community.
I'm also from a beach town, but it was a totally different vibe. Long Beach is a very tight-knit community. Everyone kind of knows each other. When you're walking down the boardwalk, everyone says hi. So Cliff is a huge surfer. We live out of our suitcases a lot of the time and always bouncing around the world to our next surf destination. So it'd be nice to have a place to call home to put all my stuff. Noodles is our little fur baby.
She travels actually with us all over, so she's a lot of fun. She's a little French bulldog, and she's 3 years old.
She's our little traveling pup.
Being in a suitcase, traveling, like, it sounds amazing and it's awesome. I'm not saying it's not, but we don't really have that spot, you know?
A home. We don't have a home.
Yeah, we don't have a home. You know, it's always been a lifelong goal to own a house in Long Beach, something I set, you know, for myself early on, and now's the time, so I'm excited. Ideal home for me would be like an outdoor shower, a big, you know, driveway with a garage to leave all my surfboards, just more room, like openness. I got all my surfboards scattered all around Long Beach, my parents' house, my brother's place. It's just like all my stuff is everywhere. There's a lot of challenges in Long Beach. I think, you know, Joyce has definitely got her work cut out. I mean, she's the best at what she does, so I'm excited for her, but at the same time, I'm a little nervous.
My name is Joyce Coletti, and I am the #1 selling agent, individual agent, on this barrier island since 1999. Cliff grew up in Long Beach, so he's very excited to move back here, and we are happy to have him. Surfers Paradise is a 2-family home smack in the middle of the city. It does have a backyard. It has an outside shower with hot and cold water. It also has a fire pit, and it's a great house to entertain. And you know, Cliff and Jenny are young, and I thought that was a great house for them. I think you're gonna like this. It's a 2-family house.
Oh, wow.
So actually, your tenant can help you pay your rent.
Oh, cool.
That's
We do
huge.
have a backyard for your surfing boards, and for the
Nice.
doggy, for little Noodles.
Having an apartment to rent upstairs would really help us out.
Yeah, no, that's like make it or break it in this town. I mean, for us, it's not even an option unless we have that, you know, to help pay for the mortgage.
Hey, come on in. Take a look at this, all open layout.
Wow, this is unbelievable.
I knew you would
I
love
don't,
it.
honestly, like, this is almost too nice.
No, nothing's too good for you.
When Joyce took us into this house, the first impression was like, wow, look at this.
The curbside appeal isn't all that great, but then when she walked in, it was completely turnkey.
Look at this beautiful kitchen. You have a glass backsplash, Corian countertop, stainless steel appliances.
I love how great this is for entertaining, how this all-white kitchen is my dream, so I can cook and serve and entertain in this wide open area.
Yeah, definitely. I could just see us, you know, Noodles flying back and forth, jumping on the couch.
We're gonna check out the bedroom. Just going forward, we do have a full bath here. And this used to be a 2-bedroom. Now, he turned it into a very large master. Take a look at this. A full walk-in closet with a washer dryer.
I like never even seen that before, with like the bathroom and then the closet.
Right.
And you come
So you
right.
take your shower, you come out, get
job.
dressed, or do your laundry.
It's so easy. It's everything's right here.
Surfers Paradise. That's why I named it this.
I love this.
Wow, look how big it is.
Yep, and you even have a fire pit. You have an outside shower with hot and cold water. You have a garage right here for all of his surfboards.
I love the way I can just come back with my surfboard, take a shower, throw my board in the garage.
That's why I brought you here.
It's all right here, you know, it's so
and it's
easy.
also very private.
My first impressions walking into the house was like, whoa,
Yeah.
this thing is nice. It's like wide open, it's bright, it's clean. It's like, Jenny loves the color white, so. I love coming back. It's nice being home. Hopefully we can find that house.
The beachside Tudor is a lovely home. What I love about it is it has hardwood floors, it has a fireplace, it has a jacuzzi, another place with a hot and cold shower. This is a great home. See if you like a style like this. This is a little different.
It's a lot more homey kind of feeling.
Yes, exactly. It has a wood-burning fireplace.
That's lovely. I love that.
Isn't that great when you just sit here and it's snowing?
No, I love the fireplace. That's cool. I mean, it's a little tight in here, but the fireplace is pretty sick.
I like the kitchen because it's nice and open.
Yeah, this is huge. I
Yeah.
love the island.
So it's an eat-in kitchen. So not only do we have an eat-in kitchen, we have a formal dining room.
I wasn't crazy about the floor in the kitchen, but then you said it was like kind of a look.
It went with the homey style of the home, I feel, but I would definitely update some things in the kitchen, the floor, the countertops.
Yeah, I mean, the cabinets were good though. I mean, that looked pretty brand new.
So let me show you upstairs.
So,
You have some nice-sized bedrooms up here. So this is your master. Plenty of sunlight, especially in the afternoon. It's like a sun-kissed room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
4-bedroom is great for us as a growing family, but as of right now, it's just gonna be a bunch of empty rooms, I feel like.
yeah, I mean, Noodles gonna have a room.
And here's the great backyard, I promise you.
Wow, it's big.
And look, there's your jacuzzi.
Just like
Nice,
Cliff
I love the
wanted.
jacuzzi.
You also
I'll be
have a
there.
hot and cold shower.
I could definitely see us entertaining it back here. A nice
the
outdoor
barbecue.
seating area. Yeah.
I mean, the backyard is
The
makes
house
it
is brick also.
Obviously, a surfer lives here, so it's like pretty cool. I mean, it's already been broken in by a surfer. Like, this is like his spot. And I mean, the jacuzzi was a home run. I'm like all about the jacuzzi. You know, I can just imagine right now, like surfing, coming back, you know, jumping in the shower, get my wetsuit off, jump right in the jacuzzi. I mean, that's exactly what I want. So,
I think it hits a lot of our wants and needs. It's just not our aesthetics.
yeah, it definitely needs a little bit more beachier feel inside. I feel like more of like grandma and grandpa kind of place. Yeah.
The townhouse is in one of the best areas in Long Beach, New York. Absolutely maintenance-free living.
Oh, wow.
Zero. So let's go inside.
All right, cool. Let's check it out.
I promise you everything was brand new and everything is brand
Wow, this
Wow.
is
new.
something.
Including the floors.
I love the balcony, the fireplace. I like how open it is. And super tall ceilings. That's awesome.
So,
I mean, at first I was like, I don't know, like the condo, but but now it's like, wow,
Right.
Like Joyce, this is cool.
Yeah, this is incredible. Definitely not what I expected. It definitely surprised me.
Yeah, it's a lot nicer on the inside. I mean, from the outside, it is nice. It's all done, but
It's a townhouse.
It's a townhouse.
so upstairs we have 2 very nice bedrooms and an additional bathroom.
Just love how open everything is. You come up here, the 2 bedrooms are right there. It's very easy. And then, yeah, I guess if you ever need anything, you come right out of your bedroom, just shout over the little balcony.
Hey, Jenny, what's
up,
for
guys?
dinner?
I mean, just being right here, watching people ride their bikes and go jogging on the boardwalk. I'm pretty excited to come home here. Those cathedral ceilings, the fireplace, the brand new kitchen. It definitely has a lot of pros to it.
I mean, right across the street from the beach.
I love how you can be on the balcony and see like the beach right there, the surf, everything.
Yeah, I mean, just check the waves. Nothing better than that. In the morning, look at the surf. I just, you know, the price is just, it's really expensive. No rental, like, I'm like, There's no way we can, I mean, it's gonna be very hard to afford this house without the income of the rental, you know?
Yeah.
Anytime I come to Gino's, brings back some memories growing up here in Long Beach. Surfing brings a big appetite, so we'd always surf all day and eat pizza. I mean, there's nothing better.
What do you think about all our houses that we saw today?
We got a lot of choices to make.
So we have, what do you think about the Surfer's Paradise?
I mean, Surfer's Paradise, the word kind of speaks for itself. I mean, I think Joyce put that there because she knew I'd be stoked on it. An awesome garage for all my boards. It has the outdoor shower, the backyard.
Yeah.
It has a huge walk-in closet, you know, with the washer and dryer right there.
Yeah, the all-white kitchen. But the Tudor is pretty comparable. It had the yard, the shower, the garage. What do you think about that one?
That one was good. I mean, it had everything. They had the jacuzzi. I think the yard's a little bit bigger.
Had more room.
There's definitely more rooms for like your friends and people that want to come visit.
It just wasn't open concept.
Definitely wasn't open.
It looked a little bit more dated. I would like to put
Definitely
some work
dated.
into it. And then the townhouse.
I mean, the townhouse was awesome. I mean, it was right across the street from the beach. Nothing better than being like across the street from the beach. For me, like to go surfing like right out my door would be so nice.
So much natural lighting. Everything was brand new, all white, just like I like. I guess the only downside of that is the price point and that it's a townhouse.
You know, the townhouse didn't have the outdoor shower.
No.
The outdoor shower is huge because I know how much you hate when I go in the house with my wetsuit on.
All sandy.
Sand and
the
everything
worst.
from the beach.
Yeah.
This is a tough decision. All right.
We did it. We picked Surfer's Paradise.
Yeah, we're stoked.
I love that I have a place for all my belongings. You know, not living out of suitcases anymore.
You know, it definitely feels good not to, you know, be in a small apartment and have my boards in my parents' house. Just like these little things, you know, and just having a home.
A real home.
A home base, you know.
Noodles has been loving that backyard. She's been running around.
It feels so good to have a place, you know, to be home, you know, so.
Yeah, it's awesome. Home.